Changing your bank account on Kajabi Enterprise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your new banking information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Kajabi account. Access your Kajabi account by entering your credentials on the Kajabi login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your bank account information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to proceed. Step 3. Access payment information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment Information or Bank Account section. Click on this option to view your current banking details and the option to edit them. Step 4. Update your bank account details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new banking information, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to ensure your changes are saved and your new bank account is now linked to your Kajabi account. Make sure to review your payment settings regularly to keep your information up to date. Following these steps will help you manage your bank account details efficiently.